Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the essentials. Mount the Windows 11 ISO or insert Install Media and note the drive letter. Once done, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt. You need admin rights to add Windows features. Make sure developer mode is enabled if you plan to use DISM with local source files. Next, confirm your system build and back up any critical files. This avoids surprises. Now you're ready to run the first enable command using the mounted source. You'll execute DISM to install NetFramework 3.5 from the mounted source. Specify the d/sources/sxs path and use /limit access to avoid Windows Update if needed. If DISM reports missing files, make sure the source matches your OS build. Mismatched versions fail. Also verify group policy isn't blocking feature installation and that Windows Update service is not disabled. Once the command completes, review the log for succeeded messages and note any error code. You finish by rebooting and confirming. NET Framework 3.5 is listed in Windows Features. Enable it if still unchecked, then test the dependent application. If installation fails, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corruption, then retry with the local source. Make sure the ISO build exactly matches your installed Windows version. That mismatch is the most common culprit. If you get an explicit error code, note it and retry with a matching source or alternate install media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.